Hello friends, how are you all? I am Pijal Agarwal and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video, we are going to see how we can create a simple 3D model with the help of SolidWorks. And this is the drawing with the help of which we are going to create this 3D model. So let's start. So friends, let's create a new file. For that, here click on the file and now here click on new. And friends, for doing part modeling, choose part and click OK. So friends, we will start by creating first this circle and this keyway and this geometry. So friends, let's start. So first to create this, I am selecting top plane. So click on top plane and here select sketch. Now friends, let's create two circles first. So friends, from here select circle and let's create two circles. So friends, diameter of bigger circle is 64 mm and diameter of smaller circle is 40 mm. And friends, here is a keyway. So friends, for that, first create a center line. Now friends, create two lines like this. Now friends, create a horizontal line and a vertical line. Now simply right click and select. Now friends, these two lines are symmetric about this line. So select these three lines by pressing the control key and give listen symmetric. And friends, here distance between this center point and this line is given as 24 mm and length of this line is given as 5 mm. Now friends, we want to trim this extra line. So for that friends, click on trim edit and here select power trim and simply drag your mouse by selecting the left key. See friends. Now friends, let's start creating this geometry. So friends, for that, select line command and create an inclined line like this, a horizontal line and an inclined line. Now right click select to come out of the command. Now friends, this line is tangent to this circle and this point is lying on this circle. Similarly friend, this line, relation between this circle and this line is also tangency and this point is also lying on this circle. See friends. Now friends, let's create a center line and give relation symmetric. See friends. Now friends, here we want two fillets of radius 20 mm. And friends here give radius of 20 mm. Now distance between this point and this point is given as 80 mm and distance between this point and this point, center point of this arc, is given as 45 mm. See friends. Now friends, select 3-point arc from here and click on this point and this point. And like that, place this arc on this circle like this. And now simply right click select. See friends. Now friends, let's start extruding. Friends, first we will extrude this geometry and after that we will extrude this geometry by using the same sketch. So friends, from features, Select extrude boss base and select this region between this and this. See friends, and here friends, extrude length is given as 60 mm. Now simply click right. Now friends, again from here, select the same sketch and click on extrude boss base. And friends, here select this region friends. And here extrude length is given as 25 mm. See? Now friends, let's start creating this geometry. So for that friends, select this face and sketch. Now friends, for reference purpose, first create a circle, right click select. The center point is lying on the origin. So select these 2 points and give relation coincident. And friends, as this is for only reference purpose, click on this circle and give construction geometry. See friends. And friends, diameter of the circle is given as 150 mm. See. Now friends, create 3 lines. Friends, if you want to break the chain, then simply double click. Now a vertical line. Friends, these 3 lines are also for only reference purpose. So select these 3 lines and make these construction geometry. See. And friends, between these 3 lines, between these 2 lines, angle is 120 degree, and between this line and this line, angle is 120 degree. See. Now friends, from here select line, create a line like this. And now friends, here we want an arc. So come to this point and see friends, arc. And friends, now again create a line. Now friends, right click select. Now friends, this point is lying on the construction geometry. And this line is parallel to this line, and these 2 lines are also parallel. See. And friends, this point is lying on this circle like this, and this point is lying on this circle, and this point is also lying on this circle. So select this circle and this point and give relation coincident. Now friends, distance between this line and this line is given as 40 mm. And friends, now select 3-point arc to close the sketch and click on this point and this point and make it on this circle. And now friends, from here select circle and on the center point of this arc, create a circle. And diameter of this circle is 16 mm. And friends, this circle and this arc both are concentric. So select both these two and give relation concentric. So select both these and give relation concentric. Now friends, we want to create the same geometry on both these sides also. So friends, for that we will pattern it. So friends, from here select circular sketch pattern. And friends, here select this point. We want to pattern it about this center point, about this origin point. And now friends, here in entities to pattern, select this sketch and this circle. See friends. And friends, here number of instances is 3. And simply click right. See friends. Now friends, we will extrude it. So simply click on the features and select extrude boss base. And friends, here we will not extrude it right from the sketch plane. We will take our offset of 4 mm from this face, from this sketch plane. So friends, here select offset and give a distance of 4 mm. And friends, now we want the offset in the opposite direction. And here also we want this to extrude in the opposite direction. And here friends, length is, extrude length is given as 20 mm. See friends. Now simply click right. Now friends, here we want to create these two holes. So friends, for that, click on the hole wizard and from here select counter bore hole. And here friends, in show custom sizing, our smaller diameter is 14 mm, bigger diameter is 24 mm, and this counter bore length is 6 mm. And now friends, all these things are right. So simply click on the positions and select this face. And friends, here create two holes like this. And now right click select. And friends, now select on this point and this circle, this arc, and give lesson concentric. And similarly here also select this point and this arc and give lesson concentric. Because this hole also lying on the center point of this arc. Now friends, simply click right. See friends. Now friends, let's create this boss extrude. So for that friends, select this face and sketch. Here friends, we want to create 3 circles. Like this. And friends, now diameter of this circle is given as 26 mm. And these 3 circles are equal to each other. To give listen equal. See friends. Now friends, we want these circles also. So simply click on these circles and convert entities. See. Now friends, click on the extrude workspace command. And friends, here in the extrude length, give a length of 4 mm. Now friends, it's time to give the fillets. So click on the fillets. And friends, here in specify fillet radius, give radius of 1 mm. And now friends, select this circle, and this edge, and friends, this circle, this face friends. See friends. And now simply click friends right. See. Now friends, to give it material, simply go on the appearance. And here friends, a lot of materials are available. So go in the metal and select any material of your choice. Like I am clicking here on galvanized and I am selecting shining galvanized. See friends, it's looking like this. Similarly friends, we can give any other material like platinum. See friends. So friends, our 3D model has been created. So friends, did you understand how to create a 3D model with the help of SolidWorks? So friends, if you have understand it well, then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep watching such kind of tutorials and to keep learning CAD modeling. And also friends, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you have any query, any doubt, you can write in the comment section. And also you can contact me on Instagram also. So friends, keep watching, keep learning.